In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send to Victorinox your pocket knife. So if you have to send it to repair, it's not worth it to buy all the parts, on eBay or online or anything like that. It's better if you send it to them, and I'm going to show you why. Also, I'm going to show you how you can do all the paperwork. So here, as you can see here, I have the Victorinox. So I just got it from them. So they're going to send it to you in a package like this, and I'm going to show you here. As you can see here, I have the paperwork. So basically, when you send the paper, you're going to tell them, okay, what problem are you having? Tools are missing, or sharpness, or anything like that, and they will replace everything. So once you send the paperwork in the envelope, you're going to, if you're here in US, you're going to spend maybe $5 just to ship it to them. Later, when the product is back, like you see it here, you're going to get all the parts. As you can see, the broken plastic. As you can see here, the metals. You're going to have the blade. So in this case, the blade there is nothing wrong with the blade, but I don't know, they just replaced it, many parts. There was nothing wrong with the flat screwdriver, as you can see, but they replaced it. The problem that I was having was with the scissor, so it wasn't cutting right, and with the plastic that was bad. And another thing that I was going to show you, I have a sharpener that works very well. With this, I can sharp very well the blades. Even it will be sharper than the brand new ones that it comes from factory. But that is for another video. So now I'm going to show you all the things that you have to do in order to get the Swift knife repair. So all you have to go is Victorinox.com, as you can see here, Victorinox.com, and after that you go here where it says support, click on support, and then after that you have to click where it says repair. Let me check where is the repair here again. Repair here where you have the hammer. So if they change the website, make sure that you try to find that. After that, you will have to go here where it says Victorinox. If you have a watch, use a watch. Otherwise, in my case, is a pocket knife. You click that. Then after that, you're going to go here next, here on the right, next, and then after that, you type whatever you are, a consumer, employee, or whatever. In my case, I'm just a consumer. I'm not a robot. Click next. And then after that, you will have to pay the $5. And basically, I think that is just to cover the shipping. And I paid like $15. I think it was in total for everything, all the repair, everything that you saw. So the Victorinox, the pocket knife, was by ship. So basically, you put the special instructions here. If you have, like if you want to estimate or a new purchase or whatever, in this case, just I wanted to have it fixed. And here, if you have, the toothpick is missing, tweezer is missing, or something else, you can, check whatever works for you. And then after that, just click next, and then you're going to put your address, your credit card, and everything. You pay the $5, and that's it. And then after a week, you should have it back very, very quickly. If you see, for $15, I mean, it's unbeatable. If you go to eBay, for instance, or any other website, and then you're looking for, let's say, a toothpick, for Victorinox, you're going to pay like $6 just for that, and you can pay $15, and then you have everything done. So as you can see, let's say Victorinox blade or part. I'm going to try to find. Look, Victorinox. You have, for instance, here. You have the plastic, $20, and then you have, let's say, you lose something else, $10. So you're going to pay way more. You will have to do it yourself, and it may not look, like brand new, because this guy, they do these type of things all the time. So basically, that is all you have to do. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. If you need tools, electronics, or anything like that, I can buy it for you. Otherwise, if you don't have a Victorinox in your area, you can ship it here to US, or if you want me to do it for you, you can hire me as well. So hopefully this video was useful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.